welcome to another video. You see I have my son with me here. We're going to do a hike today. We're at the Bamboo Cathedral and we're going to hike up to the tracking station. In the opening of the video you saw, different scenes, different scenery. But check out this scenery here. Look at that. There's a reason why they call it the Bamboo Cathedral, I always say. So I came here the last time. We really only stopped because we actually went to Macri and we stopped and we just walked in the cathedral itself. But I always wanted to go to the tracking station and Vivek went on a hike there already, so he's the guide today. You gotta show me. We're saying that it's Thursday, it's literally a Thursday. We was worried about it ain't got a safe space for the car water. Outside it's full of cars, a whole set of people here on a Thursday. Trini's don't work out, but there are about 20 cars outside. Tree was hearing a sound. I hope that we caught it. Apparently we asked someone, that's a howler monkey. We'll try to see if we get footage of him. You see monkeys and stuff on this trail. There is a howler monkey. Right, oh, you seen him there? That's him there. That's him walking there. Nice. Oh, you seen him better over here. I'm frightened to be right underneath him. It is so cool. Look, look.
Oh God, yeah, a whole troop.
There's a whole troop of them. 1, 2, so far. Guys, we're seeing 4 howler monkeys. This is so good. We now start on Bamboo Cathedral and you actually seen them jumping. We're seeing 4 of them and they're jumping from bamboos to bamboos. So there's one there and there is a few over there. You can see it through the bamboo. Hey. Rain. They're running from the rain.
Yeah.
You hearing him? Mm-hmm. Like a motorbike. Just. You see them? Oh, it has more on this side. Look, 2. And it's raining now. Like no fight or? I want to see a battle. It's raining at the moment and I don't know, I feel like I already we didn't pay anything to come here, but let me say the price of admission.
The hike didn't even start yet.
Yeah, the hike didn't start yet and we see about 6 or 7 monkeys in the trees and you're hearing them. So cool. So we continue the walk. It's not really a hike yet, we're still in the cathedral. Passing through the big alley with the bamboo and we're hearing more monkeys in the trees. Can't see them yet though, but you hear them in the distance. There it is. Trinidad. And that's one thing with Trinidad. Trinidad has, because we're so close to South America, to Venezuela, Trinidad has a lot of wildlife, a lot. As you can see, monkeys. Bamboo Cathedral is kind of, if I'm more bamboo, that was it really.
Maybe it's more bamboo, but the start line already.
Oh, the start line? I thought we started already, but it have a start line apparently. And we're kind of going uphill a little bit. So far so good, the rain is falling. So one good thing is there is no hot sun. Pretty nice and cool so far, start line. Right, so we kind of reached, it's like a U in the road. We came up there, it bends around and that means we're kind of on the edge of the mountain. And it's a nice point to look at the north coast. Let's take a look. Sun is already there, taking pics. Whoa! Didn't hike much, although I'm all see I can't talk properly. I'm also out of breath. The view there and you're hearing the sound of the ocean, seeing the power of the waves on the rocks, just really fantastic. So yeah, you ready to continue? Yeah. Alright guys, we've been walking a bit. The road has just been looking like this going forward. And it's not a hard hike, It's a little longish, but the road is paved, so it's not that hard. It's just that I am so unfit. And you can see the markings on the road. I don't know what event that was for, but further down there was an unfit. I don't know what that means. And later, you saw a line where it said not even close. They're taunting people. You ever put that on the road? Mother is up. They're going up and up and up. We finally in a very small, but a decline nonetheless. We come to an area, it has a fork in the road. But where we go in, the tracking station, it has an old derelict satellite. And there is a sign there talking about safety, unsafe structure. So you know it's this way. There it is, guys. That is the tracking station. It is way bigger than the pictures make you believe. I'm trying to stand, get a shot so you can see. And it's a derelict building. They have signs. In my younger days, I'd be adventurous and go and climb it anyway. I don't want to be flaunting the rules on video. So I'll try to get as best shot without going into the building, into the satellite. Sign says no climbing, so we're not going to climb, we're not going to go up, but there is a door, it has a little opening. I'm just going to walk inside and look up. No climbing. Inside, it's very echoey. It looks pretty cool, but you can see where it's terribly dangerous. The ladder and whatnot to go up might seem fine, but there are some beams holding the stuff that is rusted out, clearly unsafe. Of course, there's graffiti and whatnot. So, you see, look at the beam on it. Just inform me, there is a big slab of concrete with metal ends. If you look there, that looks like the counterweight, right? For the satellite. That one, look at it, was on that side and it fell. So maybe just don't go underneath it, because next thing the other one falls. So yeah, guys, that's the tracking station. Real cool. I'll put a little information on screen about like a little bit of the history or whatnot. But Chaguaramas is where the army base is, and when the American military was here, I'm not sure if this had something to do with that. It has a lot of military history in this area. Came through that road. So they're saying there's a track, because on the other road that you saw, worst could happen, we could just turn around and come back, right? So cool. I didn't know about it. Son, what is this building behind there? There's a big building. Abandoned. And there is all here. Because it's abandoned, it's a tad creepy. You don't find so something here to discover, right? So that's the steps we just came down. And there is this big galvanized building. And this galvanized still rocking strong, man. I'll take a peep inside. It's empty. It's like a big warehouse. Look at this thing. And it's abandoned up here. It is huge. We're walking to the front of the warehouse building, whatever this is. This is a Santa this thing. And there's a road here, but a massive structure on this side also. Really cool stuff. The building doesn't look as intimidating from this side in the sunlight. But from the bush, yeah, it looks kind of creepy. But this one is big. Walk around the building. Oh, okay, so that's the tracking station, and this is the building here. It has steps to go up, but we're wondering how adventurous we should be. It looks very, very solid though, that's concrete. Alright, so inside the building has a lot of rubble and stuff, so we didn't head in. We're heading back down. From seeing where the satellite is, there's an old water tank there. From seeing where the tracking station is, you can see it over the bushes, and it's clear that this was the other road, so we're just going to meet back up. So that's the turn off to go. We're heading back down. Back down is always a bit easier, but a little harder in the knees, and we're already by the little lookout by the corner. We're going to take it in again. If you look down, you can see it looks a little more blue, but if you look behind us, The rain is falling. You can't even see the horizon here. But you have to be careful because this is pretty much a drop. Breeze has picked up, and if you look, you can see the rain that I pointed out is actually coming. Yeah, look how it's blowing with sun there. The rain is on its way. Yeah, so we could feel the drizzle starting. So we're starting to head back down. It is really coming down, but because we're under the canopy, we're not feeling it, and we're not getting soaked. Although we're kind of a bit soaked if you look. It's not that bad. And actually getting wet not too bad, right?
No, that's
Part of the
kind of
vibes.
fun, yeah.
Yeah, making it a little more fun. And honestly, it's better than doing it in like blazing hot sun, I guess. Right, so we're back in the actual cathedral, the Bamboo Cathedral. Still raining, but still having fun. Really, really nice. The place is actually a little chilly. I don't know, it's just a really nice experience going up there, seeing the tracking tower. Sun is a good guide. Yeah, really, really nice. Of course, it was really good when we were coming in. Right here, we saw the monkeys. So yeah, I think it was a pretty eventful hike. Almost done. So Sanjay showed me there is another monkey. It's not a howler. That's a smaller one. So it's different species of monkey here. We caught him in the trees. He might have been in shadow in the video, but it's really cool to see another one. We're soaked, but we're at the end of the Bamboo Cathedral. That's the road right there. I can't express how fantastic this was. I would advise anyone, you're in Trinidad, come and do this hike. It's not hard. It's a paved road all the way. Very, very nice views. Plus you can get to see some wildlife. Alright? So yeah, come and check it out. Anyway guys, the rain is falling. I don't want to carry the camera out in the rain. We're still under the canopy. But I just wanted to say thanks for watching. I really enjoyed this. Sun, again, excellent guide.
Yeah.
So we're going to sign off there. Thanks for watching. Remember to like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.